Delhi. Sanjeev, great to have you in the studios.
Yeah, thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Avan. It's great to be here. And on a day when there has been chaos, I was actually going to go on leave, but I thought let's go and address and shore up some confidence, and that is what is much needed. We knew that we are headed for a correction, and that's very healthy. It clears the men from the boys, but I think it will be short-lived.
And it could very well be routine profit taking also, right? Sanjeev, you've had pretty much one-way move up, the best performer in the world. What more can you ask for?
More than that, stocks which are the most hated stocks like PSUs have almost doubled, tripled. Now give it a break, and take it with a pinch of salt that they will be profit booking, but the left out feeling is humongous. Yes. I travel all over India and I know you cannot but make money now if you don't buy this fear. Also, by the way, you are headed into Christmas and the holidays and so on. So give it a couple of days, by Tuesday you will be up and running.
So you said you're here to instill some confidence and positivity. So why don't you do just that? Why don't you start off with some interesting stock recommendations?
So Aman, like I said, the broader market may be telling you that there was a lot of, maybe fraud built in, cost of carry was high, but all that is now done with. I'll take you two large cap stocks which I think can fit the bill. First would be Tech Mahindra. Now, we know technology has been the worst hit because of this slowdown, the advent of higher rates, but take it with a pinch of salt. The Fed cannot have it both ways. On one hand, you have retail sales at 3-year low, abysmal, you're talking of a recession, and on one hand, you're going on pressing the gun. So you've got your credibility is at risk. Take it, with an opportunity that Tech Mahindra, I think, could be giving you the opportunity of maybe this year and next year. They've guided on the upside. Technology spending is very strong on the outsourcing side. Tech Mahindra on the BFSI with their relationship with BT trades at half the multiple of Infosys or Wipro. So if you are looking for value and opportunity, I think at this 1,020-25, you can't but make money in Tech Mahindra. That would be my top pick. Second would be Shriram Fiber, SRF. Now, we know that in fluorine chemicals, there is no other player pan-Asia, Aisha, who has got such a big presence. In specialty chemicals, in plastics, they are ruling the roost. But there has been a couple of quarters because of high input costs. You've got crude correcting almost 20%. Any crude derivative which corrects is a win-win for the specialty chemical. So I think SRF is a perfect picture over here, 2330, 2340. You must add that to your portfolio. And thirdly, I would say the oil refiners have been through the worst. So IOC would be my topic over there. We'll discuss more things, but Tech Mahindra and SRF and IOC are a must-have in your portfolio.